Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get a rose rifle, and here's how to get it. First step, you'll need an axe. You buy from this guy. You'll need it later. Also, you need 500 bucks to buy it. Next, you wanna follow where I go. You'll find this small land and a little shake. After that, you enter the small shake, and this guy will give you a quest. After that, you want to click the menu button, because it will be way faster than walking. After spawning in, you want to follow where I go.
Evil and equal, seeking to kill, create. How grand the milk and honey land is on her tongue again. Taste of the violence, trying to silence her head.
After following me, you'll find two towers. Enter the tower and then you will find this guy. He will give you a quest. The quest requires you to cut some trees. You will need 20 of this logwood. After getting 20 logwood, you'll want to climb the ladder again to the tower. Then talk to the same guy again. He will give you a key. Then you need to jump to the other towers. After jumping onto the other tower, open the door. Then you'll find a guy, the target. You'll need to kill him After that, you'll find the gun on the table. You'll need to click it. And then, done. That's all I gotta give you how to get the rose rifle for beginners. And see you in the next video. Hope you like it. And then don't forget to subscribe, right?